Okay, so number 3. We have, now that we've solved all the world's problems, we have a woodpecker's head. When its beak strikes the tree, it can have a force as large as 4.9 newtons. So 4.9 newtons. If the forces exerted by the muscles are at right angles to one another, and the muscle that pulls it down exerts a force of 1.7 newtons, then we want to know what is the, oh wait, I have that wrong. 1.7 is the down. So this is actually just Pythagoras. So force forward is what we're looking for. And it's 1.7 is the force down. I did a terrible job labeling this. I apologize. So force down equals 1.7. Okay. You know what? I'm going to move your FIP quiz to Thursday because you need time with force attention. And, force forward equals question mark. Force down equals 1.7 newtons. Force total or resultant or net, I guess that would be net, equals 4.9 newtons. So, okay, that's it.